This is where our day starts. Off to Starbucks. As you can see now, it's 10:25, half 10. What I tend to do at Starbucks is just plan out my day, check DMs, check emails, sort out my group if there's a couple of things to do in the morning. You can't really keep to a schedule when it comes to sneaker reselling. Whilst on the side, keeping an eye out for any sudden restocks to give all the information to my members within my group. That is my main priority. We're actually outside B&M right now because we're going to try and find some shelving to go upstairs to make a nice backdrop for YouTube videos. But right now, we're going to spend some admin time on the group. I've been working on some massive features for the group, which I might get into in a little bit. The time to spend at least 1 hour doing that. It's now 11 AM. That'll take us up to about 12, and then I'll take you guys upstairs. Right, we are upstairs now. It's 12:30 currently, and I'll show you what I've been working on. So far, as you can see, we have painted the walls. We had them plastered. I've painted the walls, and there's a little bit of space in the corner which I'm going to put a glass cabinet with some nice shoes on. And the reason I went to B&M before is because I've bought 3 of these LED sort of shelving. And with the light underneath, it will light up the shoes underneath. So you have guessed it, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for the next probably 1 or 2 hours. I'm going to build the next storage unit, and I'm also going to plan out where I'm going to put these shelves, maybe put some markings down, and try and get that glass cabinet upstairs, which I'm scared to do. But yeah, maybe I'll do a little time lapse. In a total of 27 minutes, which I think was pretty impressive with a little drinks break. We have made another set of the shelving. Right, we've been for lunch, I've had a bit of an hour break. Now, I've built the storage units, I've got the 3 shelves up, as you can see behind me, you can't actually see that. But I'm going to attempt to do a stock take now. Stock take has been done, as you can see. We've got a massive stack of Jordan 4 infrared. We've got a lot of different foam runners. We've got some Travis Scotts, military black Jordan 4s, a lot of blank canvases, and a lot of Yeezy slides, ranging from the Onyxes and also other colorways like Pure. But we've also had some packages come in today, so let's go through them. One that I've been excited to get my hands on, which they finally have been delivered, and these are the Jordan 1 Stage Haze. Now, I've finally got my hands on these. They do come with obviously the white and pink laces. Beautiful looking sneaker. One of these is going straight to the toe, the size 8. That is mine. We have got 3 other pairs, which I'll get into and show you in a minute. But yeah, bang happy with these. Such a great looking shoe. But we have also had another 3 pairs all arrived in the same box, and this is straight from Nike this time. The Jordan 1 Mid Fire Reds. Now, if I was to tell you that I literally got these for only £85 per pair, bearing in mind I could have got as many pairs as I wanted, I only got the 3 pairs, you're probably going to be quite shocked. Essentially, guys, these are sitting on Nike, and what people didn't know is you could use birthday account discount codes and also Uniday student discount to get up to 25% off this sneaker. It was nuts. Now, obviously, as mentioned before, I do run a group where we notified all of our members who absolutely feasted on this release and got so many pairs for below retail. These literally cost us £86 a pair. An insane flip and insane potential for this beautiful looking Jordan 1 Mid. £86. I just like, what? But yeah, guys, if you want to start learning sneaker reselling or you want to expand your business about sneaker reselling, top link down description below where we teach you everything you need to know. We also do provide other information like all the release information, Nike exact stock numbers, early information, one-on-one support, botting information, monitors. We got it all. But yeah, if you want to check it out, we have a bunch of members already in the group, and I'll put some of their success up on screen. We're not here to mess about, we're here to make money. But what is left for today? I've done a stock take that took me absolutely ages. Plans for the rest of the night are literally just to edit videos, so I'll probably start editing this video, and I'll probably edit some other videos that I do have planned. Editing takes up the majority of my day. If you didn't know, YouTube editing or editing any videos just takes forever. Right, bit of a change of atmosphere. It is another day. I'll be honest, it is actually a couple days later. I may or may not have forgotten about this video. However, guys, we have some more packages, so let's get them open. And it is multiple of these foam runner sands. Now, these did recently release, and out of all the foam runners, I'm actually very, very surprised. It's actually quite clean looking.
Probably my favourite foam weather that has come out. So actually one of these is going to be personal. We did manage to get a fair few of these, which is quite nice. And the resale profits are sitting very well as well. They're looking like over £50 profit, which is nice. We got a decent amount of pairs, so a good amount of profit to end off the video. Now I'm pretty sure we did end off early evening, and at the end of the day, guys, in the evening, all I'm doing is I'm editing, sorting out footage, and chilling on the group. So there's not much else to be said, really, guys. This is a new microphone. Let me know if the quality is sounding okay. It's actually the first time using it, so I'm not sure if I've got these settings correct. But apart from that, I did hope you have enjoyed today's video. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you would like to join KaiKicks Apprentice Cook Group, will be top link down in the description below, and that's how you're going to learn to start sneak reselling yourself. Good luck in all your releases, guys, and peace out.